So, hello, everybody. Much has been going on behind the scenes here at the UK Hypnosis Convention HQ, and we're going to be sharing much with you in coming weeks about that. First up, though, today I'm announcing our keynote speaker for the 2020 convention, and I'm really excited and proud to announce that our 2020 UK Hypnosis Convention keynote speaker is going to be Irving Kirsch. Irving is Associate Director of the program in Placebo Studies and the Therapeutic Relationship, and a lecturer on medicine at the Harvard Medical School. He's also Emeritus Professor of Psychology at the University of Hull here in the UK and at the University of Connecticut in the USA. He's also a visiting professor at Plymouth University. He has published 10 books, more than 250 scientific journal articles, and 40 book chapters on placebo effects, antidepressant medication, hypnosis, and suggestion. He originated the concept of response expectancy, and Kirsch's 2002 meta-analysis on the efficacy of antidepressants influenced official guidelines for the treatment of depression here in the UK. Irving's 2008 meta-analysis was covered extensively in the international media, and it was listed by the British Psychological Society as one of the 10 most controversial psychology studies ever published. His book, The Emperor's New Drugs, Exploding the Antidepressant Myth, has been published in many languages and was shortlisted for the prestigious Mind Book of the Year award. It was the topic of 60 Minutes segment on CBS and a 5-page cover story in Newsweek. In 2015, the University of Basel in Switzerland awarded Irving Kirsch an honorary doctorate in psychology. In 2019, the Society for Clinical and Experimental Hypnosis honored him with their Living Human Treasure Award. So, really excited to have him here, really proud, as I've already said. At the UK Hypnosis Convention 2020, Irving's going to deliver a presentation on the Saturday afternoon in our main lecture theatre. And that presentation is entitled Using Hypnosis as a Non-Deceptive Extra Strength Placebo. And he'll be highlighting the similarities between hypnosis and the placebo effect that include a number of things, that hypnosis and the placebo effect both affect the same clinical conditions, that expectancy manipulations can enhance both placebo and hypnotic responding, that neither requires the presence of a trance state, and that like placebos, hypnotic inductions have no specific components. Suggestion is the active ingredient of both, which is what's going to be covered in this presentation. Although Irving states quite clearly this does not make hypnosis a placebo, it does indicate that the research on placebo effect and the therapeutic relationship can inform optimal clinical use of hypnosis. So it's going to be a wonderful presentation on the Saturday in one of the lecture theatres that's going to be focusing on academic speakers and researchers that one particular day. From there onwards, our gala dinner keynote presentation, and in future years, we're going to start making them quite specific. So that is in 2020, those that are attending the gala dinner will get to enjoy Irving's keynote presentation that's entitled The Emperor's New Drugs, The Myth of Antidepressants. And he's going to speak about, antidepressants are supposed to work by fixing a chemical imbalance, specifically a lack of serotonin or noradrenaline in the brain, for example. However, analyses of the published and the unpublished data that were hidden by drug companies reveal that most, if not all, of the benefits are due to the placebo effect. And the difference in improvement between drug and placebo is not clinically meaningful. Some antidepressants increase serotonin levels, some decrease serotonin, and some have no effect at all on serotonin. Nevertheless, they all show approximately the same therapeutic benefit. Instead of curing depression, Irving states that popular antidepressants may in fact induce a biological vulnerability, making people more likely to become depressed in the future. Other treatments, for example, psychotherapy and physical exercise, produce the same short-term benefits as antidepressants and show better long-term effectiveness, and do so without the side effects and health risks of some of the drugs. So both the Saturday presentation and the gala dinner keynote, this very specific keynote that's going to be about the myth of antidepressants, for example. These are wonderful opportunities for hypnotherapists and hypnosis enthusiasts to come and hear from one of the most influential individuals ever in the hypnosis field, but also in the wider psychology field. This is someone that all hypnotherapists should be aware of, someone whose work you should be familiar with. And this represents, a very rare opportunity for hypnotherapists to come and see him present in real life here in the UK. We're thrilled, and that's it for this video. You can go, and tickets are now available, as I've mentioned previously. You can go buy tickets over at the UK Hypnosis Convention website. That's ukhypnosisconvention.co.uk. I'm really looking forward to seeing you there. Okay, best wishes. Goodbye for now.